Share makes us six.
If you're new to this channel,
I'm Lorena.
I'm Ricky. I'm Matthew.
I'm Katia.
I'm Kiara.
And I use it.
And today we're going to share with you our final house tour here in our rental.
Yes.
We've been here almost 4 years. So come inside now and have a look at our final house tour.
Hey, we're excited about that.
So guys, I'm going to give you a full house tour now. This is, we're currently packing, ready to move house. So I wanted to get our last final house tour at this home that we've been renting for almost 4 years. So let's go. So the hallway, and to the left is the garage, and then again to the left is the laundry. So they're the cabinets I DIY'd. If you watched that video, that's the laundry. And then back into the hallway, and we walk into the kitchen, dining and family room. So there's the kitchen. Now there's not much decorations at the moment because most of it has already been packed away. So there's not much home decor on display at all. So there we go, there's the kitchen, it's the dining. So the dining table and the buffet there that you can see are DIYs that I did do. So they were dark brown and I sanded them all back and upcycled the furniture. So now it's a more natural colour looking timber. And just recently with these dining chairs, I just sprayed the legs. They were chrome and we sprayed them in a dark black paint. Now normally we've got plants in the house as well. I really do love greenery, but at the moment they are outside. And that's that. And that's the lounge family area. These are tables that I just recently DIY'd as well. So it's looking pretty empty. We have lots of boxes behind here that have been packed with EJ's toys. There's another look. Just give you another look at the kitchen. And now we're going to go into this hallway, and that is towards the bedrooms. Okay, so down this way is our bedroom. I'll show you the kids' bedrooms later. Right into our bedroom. And firstly, we have the ensuite. And then walking into our bedroom. And if you saw the recent bedroom makeover, I redid this cabinet and also the toddler bed. So we are missing a lamp. So we need to get a new one for the new home. I'm just going to walk back into the hallway. And here is Katia's bedroom. So you can see lots of boxes. Packing is definitely happening. Katia's bedroom. Now we're going to walk into the hallway. And here we have Kiara's bedroom. Again, a whole lot of boxes. And then there's a DIY I just did recently. They were white and I've just transformed them into this beautiful sage green that we're going to be using for EJ's bedroom. Toilet and bathroom. And that's it. That's the bathroom there. And now we'll go into Matthew's bedroom.
So this is it, guys, our final house tour here at this home. So excited for what's to come for us. We're finally coming out of the rent rut we've been stuck in for 10 years, and we'll be moving into our newly built home very soon. We just can't wait to create memories in our new home, but we are so grateful for all the memories that we did create in this home. Thanks for watching this video for 6.
And guys, we're so excited. Move-in day is so close.
Yes.
So thanks for watching. Don't forget to
Subscribe.
Like, comment down below.
Yay!
Yay!
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.